This is the most effective way to bring a solution to documenting split roles into FileMaker for Ferguson and L&M. First, let's look at it from an office perspective. For customer name, we will have to use something with a neutral name since it varies which role goes to which location. When we enter in our product spec in the product section of FileMaker, the product ID will also have to have something neutral since the split roles will vary in width. There will be a new tab in the product spec screen that is titled Split Role. First, it will ask you in a drop-down menu if the product will be using split roles or not. For most of our products, the answer is no, and no further information will have to be put in. If the answer is yes, then multiple additional fields will have to be entered. Select the number of roles, in this case 4. Then enter in the width for each split role that will be produced. There will be a master role width that automatically calculates based off of what you put into these fields. There will also be a percentage calculated for each role that represents how much of the master role width that role is consuming. This will be all the information needed from the office employee. Once the product is in production and it's time to doff a role, the production employee will only have to document the totals of the master role. Once that person fills out all these fields, 4 split roles will auto-populate with the weight totals being distributed based off of what we have put in the percentages in the product spec. The master role will have to be indicated in the role type column for these split roles to appear, and master role will not be granted a role number. Only the split roles will. Once the split roles appear onto the screen with their totals in place, the user will have to make the decision whether it's first quality, waste, or non-conforming, and then print when ready.